Hi everyone. In this lab today, I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual machine in your Azure environment. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will tell you one by one. Okay, now you can see to create an environment, to create a virtual machine in an Azure environment, you must be having Azure services. Okay, over here you can see the subscription. You must be having a subscription for the Azure. Okay, this is where you can check from here and from here as well your subscription. Okay, yeah, you can check with the subscription that you are having. Okay, and all the details will be coming up for you. All right, regarding the platform subscription, all your Azure subscription details. Now what we can do over here is we're going to create a virtual machine. Okay, first of all, you can type what you want, the services that you want, or you can click over here virtual machines, or here at the left side you can see the virtual machine option, or then create a resource. You can also go there. Okay, I'll click on create a resource. I will type the option over here. Okay, like virtual machine. Yes, here it goes. Okay, now you can see over here the option is there. We need to click on it. Okay, click on create now. Once you click on create, you will be getting multiple options. First of all, the subscription. You have this subscription. You can check if you have a multiple subscription from where you want to go and create the virtual machine and create a resource group. Resource group creating is important sometimes because here all this, whatever the services that you have created will be there in the resource group. Okay, I will name the resource group first. CompTIA CompTIA RG. I'll be keeping a resource group. The virtual machine name I have to give, that is CompTIA VM. Okay, I will select with the region. Please select with the nearest region where you are available. Okay, and now you can see what kind of server I want. I want to be on Windows 11. I'm sorry. The size, everything is by default. It will be okay. I'm not doing anything over here. Yes, here I will just check. I'll just type my username and password because we're gonna connect this virtual machine with my with this virtual machine that we are making. So password should be 12 characters, 12 letters with special characters in it, and then I can keep everything. You can see there the RDP port is already been selected. So I will not do anything. This will allow all the IP address to access in your virtual computer, virtual machines. Okay, and now I will leave it as it is. I will not do anything over here. Okay, and I will just have to confirm this licensing. Yes. Now click on next. You can see the operating system disk size is 127. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Okay, you can see over here. And now I'm selecting the SSD, premium SSD. It will be as it is. Okay, you can create a new disk or attached an existing disk over here also, but here I'm going to, virtual network. Okay, already it will create a virtual network over here with an IP address. Okay, let it be as it is. Then in management, okay, all this Microsoft Defender and everything will be there. You can enable the auto shutdown, or you can enable the backup, but I will disable it. and I'll click on monitoring now. So under monitoring section, you can see over here, you can leave as it is, and then in advanced, you can now here there is an option select an extension to install. Over here you can add extensions like AND, APM inside. Only select this if you have a subscription for this as well. Okay, I'm leaving it as it is, and now you can see what is the subscription price it is showing per hour. I have chosen a minimum amount. Okay, and once I click on create, it will create the virtual machine. Okay, let's go ahead. It may take some time. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's wait for this. You can see on the top right corner, everything the process is showing that the virtual machine creation is under process. Okay, now deployment is going on. You will see a lot many options will be coming. Yeah, need to wait for some more minutes. Okay, now you see that it has been created. We'll go to the resources. Over here, you can see that it has created with the name that we have given, CompTIA, and with this IP address, which is the public IP address, which I'm going to connect with my VM. Okay, so over here, I'm going to the remote desktop connection, and I'll remove this and I'll add this IP address over there to connect with this virtual machine remotely. I'll click on connect now, and now you can see I have to give the same username and password which I have given earlier. Okay, now it's connecting. You can see over here there will be a small prompt, okay, that will come up. Okay, so you have to click on yes over here. Make sure if you're connecting like this to you can use a VPN, but here I'm just clicking on yes. Now you see I have connected the Azure virtual machine with my virtual machine, and I can do, you can see this with this name, it is coming up. I can now start working on it. And now once I have already created this, I'm going to show you that how I'm going to delete this virtual machine which I have created. Okay, for that I just have to go to the virtual machine over here. Okay, otherwise I can just type over here and go there, all resources, and here I can select everything. You can see everything I'm gonna select. Okay, then on the top you can, here there is a delete option. Click on delete, apply force delete and type delete again, and then click on delete again. There will be a prompt delete. Yeah, so now I have deleted, I have removed the virtual machine that I have created. This is how you can create and delete a virtual machine in your Azure environment. I hope everyone that it is clear to you, and I thank you for joining this lab. Have a good day. Bye.